Hi, I'm Renee McLaughlin, Master T-Tapp trainer. And you know, it's so hard sometimes to find enough time to get a full T-Tapp workout in. So instead, I'm creating these super stretches that you can do right at your kitchen sink. I call them the kitchen sink stretches. And today, I want to show you one where we're going to be curling and scooping the back. Because you know what? It's super important that you get good spinal hygiene. And for me, that just means that we always want to curl and scoop the back. We want to do some side stretches and we want to do some turns. Today, we're curling and scooping. So follow along with me. Here you go. Feet are going to begin to be about hip width apart. Shoulders, arms, shoulder width apart. So now I'm going to bend my knees. Notice my tail is out a little bit. I'm just going to, as I'm holding onto my kitchen, I'm going to lean back into it. And then I'm going to bend my knees and I'm going to kind of take that tail back, like in a squat position. So I'm just going to allow myself to be held here. By the way, just holding yourself is a really nice stretch at the lats. Then I'm going to push down into the sink and I'm going to curl my lower back in. So I'm feeling like if I had a tail here, I'm pulling it in and forward. I'm now going to bring my belly button towards my back, scoop it up, and tuck my chin. You can even bend the knees a little deeper. Remember, they're out to your little toe. Now I'm going to use my hands at the sink to kind of bend my elbows, pull myself up. I'm going to arch my tail, press into the top of the sink, and scoop the back on out. So you can do a few of those. Now the next thing I'm going to do both the curl and the scoop from here as I'm hinging back. So I'm going to push down to curl the tailbone, chin is tucked. I'm going to press in, lift the chest, arch the tail, and come on down. Knees out to the little toe. One more time, press down, curl that back. Belly button in and up. Now, right here, you won't feel any glutes. This is all belly and back. Then you're going to push up, arch out, come on back. Oh, that just feels so good. That's why the leaning up against the sink is so nice. Push in, curl, and then press down. Bring yourself all the way up. Push in, push out. Ta-da! You have just done so much great deep work to curl and open up in your whole back. Give it a comment. I can't wait to hear how much you love this move and how you use it. Take good care and I'll see you again soon.